Hi, today our lesson is simple equations, lesson number 4. Today we discuss some questions. First question, solve 2x minus 3 over 5 equal 1. Now how we are going to solve this question? We can do the cross multiplication because you know what means 1 over 1. So then we can do the cross multiplication like this. 1 into 2x minus 3 equal 5 into 1. 1 into 2x minus 3 equal 5 into 1, 5. Now we have to remove the brackets. 1 into 2x is 2x. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 equal 5. Now we have to get rid of this minus 3. How to get rid of this minus 3? We have to add plus 3 here. So 2x minus 3 plus 3 equal, in other side also we have to add plus 3. 5 plus 3. Now plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. Here you have 2x. 2x equal 5 plus 3 is what? 8. Now we got 2x equal 8. Now we have to get rid of this 2. For that I have divided this side by 2. Then other side also I have divided by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel. X equal 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. Clear? So we solved this question in that way. So basically we did the cross multiplication. Okay? Right. Now we'll do the second question. Second question is 3x minus 2 over 4 equal 1. Now you know 1 is what? 1 is 1 over 1. Again we can do the cross multiplication. Before cross multiplication we put a simple bracket here. Then you won't do any mistakes. Now 1 into 3x minus 2. 1 into 3x minus 2 equal 4 into 1, 4. Now we have to remove the brackets. 1 into 3x is 3x. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 2 is what? 2 equal 4. Now we have to get rid of this 2. For that I have to add plus 2 here. Then 3x minus 2 plus 2. Then other side also I have to add plus 2. Now what? 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. 3x. 3x equal 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Now to find the value of x, we divide this side by 3. Then this side also we divide by 3. Now 3 and 3 cancel. X equal 2. Clear? We got the value x equal 2. So this is how we simplify this equation. Now we'll do the third question. Third question is this. 8 times a over 2 plus 3 equal 12. Now first of all we have to remove the brackets. So 8 into a is 8a. 8a over 2 plus 8 into 3 is what? 24 equal 12. Now we have to divide 8 and 2. So 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. Then 4a plus 24 equal 12. Now we are getting rid of this 24. Therefore I subtract 24 from this side. 4a plus 24 minus 24. Then other side also I have to take 24 out. Then 12 minus 24. Now plus 24 and minus 24 will get cancelled. You have 4a. 4a equal 12 minus 24 is what? Minus 12. Now I divide this side by 4 because the coefficient is here 4. So this side also then I have divided by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. A equal minus 12 divided by 4 is what? Minus 3. Okay? Right. So this is how we did this question. Now we'll do the fourth question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 4 times a over 2 plus 1 equal 8. Now first thing is we have to remove the brackets. Then 4 into a is 4a over 2 plus 4 into 1 is 4 equal 8. Now 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. Then 2a plus 4 equal 8. Now we have to remove the 4. For that I have to subtract plus 4 and minus 4 here. So 8 minus 4. Now to get this 4, I subtract 4 from this side. Then other side also I have to subtract 4. Then what? 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. Here we have 2a. 2a equal 8 minus 4 is what? 4. Now I divide this by 2. Then this side also I divide by 2. Then 2 and 2 cancel. A equal 2. So this is our answer. Okay. So this is our fourth question. We'll do the fifth one. Question number 5. Question number 5 is this. 5 minus 3y over 2 plus 3 equal 4. Now what? 5 minus 3y over 2 plus 3 equal 4. First of all, we have to get rid of this 3. So therefore, 5 minus 3y over 2, we write that as it is. For plus 3, we subtract minus 3. Then 4 minus 3. To cancel this plus 3, I subtract 3 from this side. Therefore, other side also I have to subtract 3. Then we have plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. 5 minus 3y over 2 equal 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So 1 means what? 1 means 1 over 1. Now we can do the cross multiplication. 1 into 5 minus 3y equal 2 into 1, 2. Now we have to remove the brackets. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 3y is minus 3y equal 2. Now we got the equation 5 minus 3y equal 2. Now we have to get rid of this 5. Therefore I subtract 5 from this side. 5 minus 5 minus 3y equal, from this side also I have to subtract 5 minus 5. Now 5 and 5 cancel, this side you have minus 3y equal 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Now both sides I divide by minus 3. This side also minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3 cancel, here you have y. Here we have minus divided by minus is plus, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So y equal 1. So this is our answer. So we got the answer y equal 1. I think it is clear. 5 minus 3y over 2 plus 3 equal 4. So get rid of this 3. I subtract 3 from this side. Then same thing I did the other side also. Then 3 minus 3 cancel. Then this side we have 5 minus 3y over 2. Here 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 means 1 over 1. Then I did the cross multiplication. 1 times 5 minus 3y equal 2 times 1 is 2. Then, so I remove the bracket. Then 5 minus 3y equal 2. Then here it is there. Then the 5 is the problem. So I subtract 5 from this side. Then 5 minus 5 minus 3y equal 2 minus 5. From this side also I subtract 5. Then 5 and 5 minus 5 cancel. Minus 3y equal minus 3. Then I divide this side by minus 3. Then other side also I divide by minus 3. Then y equal 1. So this is the question number 5. Now we do the question number 6. Question number 6 is this. 3 minus 2y over 4 plus 1 equal 5. Now what to do? First of all we have to get rid of this 1. So therefore I have to subtract 1 from this side. Then 3 minus 2y over 4 plus 1 minus 1. From this side also I have to subtract 1. 5 minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. This side we have 3 minus 2y over 4 equal 4. Now what? 4 means what? 4 over 1. Now we can do the cross multiplication. 1 into 3 minus 2y equal 4 into 4, 16. So 1 into 3 minus 2y equal 4 into 4, 16. So I remove the bracket. Then 3 minus 2y equal 16. So I got 3 minus 2y equal 16. So I have to get rid of this 3. For that I subtract 3 from this side. 3 minus 3 minus 2y equals 16 minus 3. So 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. Then minus 2y equal 13. So therefore I divide both sides by minus 2. Then what? Here y equal minus 13 divided by 2 is what? Minus 6 and half. So this is our answer. Clear? Right. Now we will do the question number 7. Question number 7 is this. 3p minus 1 3p minus 1 over 4 equal 5. First of all, I put a bracket here. Then you won't do any mistakes. Then 5 means 5 over 1. Now I can do the cross multiplication. 1 into 3p minus 1 equal 4 into 5 is 20. Now I remove the bracket. 1 into 3p means 3p. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 equal 20. Now I have to get rid of this minus 1. Therefore I add plus 1 here. Then 3p minus 1 plus 1. Then other side also I add plus 1. 20 plus 1. Here you have minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Then you have 3p. So 3p equal 21. Then I divide this side by 3. Then this side also I divide by 3. Then p equal what? 21 divided by 3 is what? 7. Okay. So this is how we get the answer. So we got p equal 7. Now we'll do the 8th question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is this. 7p minus 1 over 5 equal 4. First thing is I have to put a bracket here, simple bracket. 4 means 4 over 1. Now I can do the cross multiplication. 1 into 7p minus 1 equal 5 to 4 is 20. Now I remove the bracket. 7p minus 1 equal 20. Now this, to cancel this minus 1, I add plus 1 this side. Then 7p minus 1 plus 1 equal 20 plus 1. Here minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. 7p equal 21. Then what I do is I divide this side by 7, this side also 7. Then p equal 21 divided by 7 is 3. Right. Today my lesson is over. We'll meet from my next lesson. Thank you very much.